Welcome back to our tutorial for PTV Vissim 2023. Today we will tackle how to set the parameters, the base data, and vehicle compositions in the software. Here we have the start page of the software. You can just close that and we will see the network editor. This is where you will load your future projects, where you can pick out the locations of your projects. Here is the network objects, which we will use in future tutorials. So for now, we will discuss how to set the parameters and the base data of the project. So before starting a project, it will be a good practice to first check the general parameters of the software and make sure that they are set to the appropriate parameters of our project. We will go to simulation and click parameters. So here we have the default values for these parameters. You can adjust the parameters from your software based on these values. But as of now, these are the correct parameters for our project. Period is set at 3,600 seconds. The number of cores should be at use all cores because some software will open at one core. So make sure that you pick use all cores. And we will click OK. The next step is to set the units. Again, before starting any project, make sure that you have the appropriate units so as to avoid any miscalculations. Let's go to base data, network settings, and units. For this project, we will be using all metric units, but if you need to, you can adjust these one by one. Click OK. And let's go to base data again, 2D/3D model. In here, we can see the default types of vehicles with a few specifications. Using the green plus sign, we can manually add any vehicles that we may need for the project. You can, for example, add a motorcycle or a scooter if you wish to include these in the simulation. You're going to have to go to the directory folder of PTV Vissim. It should be in this PC. Program files, PTV Vision, and EXE. Go to 3D models and vehicle. So you can just pick a bike or a bus if it's not yet here in the software. If you want a Porsche, you can put one, um, a van. So for now, we won't be adding any other vehicles because we already have the car, the HG. So that's it for now. For our next tutorial, we will be loading the project area and we will start with drawing the links and the connectors of the roads.